Our planet is warming at an alarming rate. This isn't just about hotter summers, it's about a fundamental shift in Earth's climate system, affecting all life. This change, driven by an increase in greenhouse gases, is altering weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems worldwide. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting not just the natural world but also our societies and economies. Understanding climate change is crucial for safeguarding our future generations. The Earth's average temperature has risen by approximately 1 degree Celsius since the late 19th century. This seemingly small increase has had profound effects on our planet's climate systems, leading to more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. This warming is primarily due to human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. The Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of a significant increase in the use of coal, oil, and natural gas, which has continued to this day, releasing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, has reached levels unprecedented in human history. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the planet. The concentration of CO2 has increased by more than 40% since pre-industrial times. The scientific consensus is clear. We are the primary drivers of this rapid warming, and the consequences are becoming increasingly apparent. From rising sea levels threatening coastal communities to the loss of biodiversity and the disruption of ecosystems, the impact of climate change is far-reaching and demands urgent action. Our reliance on fossil fuels for energy has come at a steep cost. For over a century, coal, oil, and natural gas have powered our homes, industries, and transportation systems. But this convenience comes with a hidden price. When burned, these fuels release vast amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This not only pollutes the air we breathe, but also accelerates climate change. These gases trap heat, creating a warming effect that is disrupting the delicate balance of our planet's climate system. The consequences are far-reaching, from rising sea levels to more extreme weather events. Deforestation, industrial processes, and agriculture also contribute to the problem, releasing additional greenhouse gases and reducing the planet's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, further amplifying the greenhouse effect. The cumulative impact of these activities is a planet that is warming at an unprecedented rate, threatening ecosystems and human societies alike. Section 4. A world at risk. The effects of climate change are already being felt around the world, impacting millions. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, are becoming more frequent and intense, causing widespread damage. Sea levels are rising as glaciers and ice caps melt, threatening coastal communities and infrastructure, leading to displacement. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns are disrupting ecosystems, jeopardizing biodiversity, and impacting agriculture. Section 5. Charting a course for a brighter future. The challenge of climate change is immense, but it is not insurmountable. We are witnessing the devastating effects of global warming on our planet, from melting glaciers and rising sea levels to extreme weather events and wildfires. These changes are a stark reminder of the urgent need for action. We must act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the worst effects of climate change. This means embracing renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, which are not only sustainable, but also increasingly cost-effective. By investing in these technologies, we can create a cleaner, greener future. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power is essential. These sources of energy are abundant and can provide a significant portion of our energy needs without the harmful emissions associated with fossil fuels. The shift to renewables is not just an environmental imperative but also an economic opportunity. Improving energy efficiency in our homes, buildings, and transportation systems is crucial. Simple measures like better insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and electric vehicles can make a big difference. By reducing our energy consumption, we can lower our carbon footprint and save money in the long run. Investing in sustainable agriculture and protecting our forests are vital steps. Sustainable farming practices can help reduce emissions, conserve water, and protect biodiversity. Forests, on the other hand, act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. Preserving and restoring these natural resources is essential for a balanced ecosystem. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of sustainability. Whether it's reducing waste, conserving water, or supporting eco-friendly products, our collective efforts can lead to significant change. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting policies that address climate change, and advocating for a greener future, we can create a world where both humanity and nature can thrive. It is our responsibility to ensure that future generations inherit a planet that is healthy, vibrant, and full of life. Together we can chart a course for a brighter future.